Yo, what is up, guys? This is Turbo Boost 987 with a new video requested from the man himself, 1452/Gunner. He wanted me to do one of his decaf videos, Marlon Martinez Crybaby Rebase 20 Hertz on the 12-inch Planet Audio sub with the Pioneer amp and the power supply with the LEDs. So yeah, hold on real quick and I'll be right back. Sorry about that, I am back. I just had to move the amp a little, or the sub box a little bit more out, so the LEDs, so you can get a good picture of the LEDs flashing. Hold on, let me adjust this better for you guys. There we go. So it's out more, it's better. You can get a more better picture of the whole sub box. So yeah, we're going to be playing the song. Let's get into it. I just got a request from 1452, wants me to do another video, and so I'll do Decaf Little Dicky Freaky Friday. So I'll be right back and I'll load that one up for you guys so you guys can watch that one. Alright, so I'm back with the other song, so here we go. Here we go with the bass. Keep coming up. Here we go with the bass. Alright, so I'm going to be playing one more song just for fun, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I actually got this new song that somebody sent me. The person that sent me this song was BearVids. If you haven't watched his video, check out his channel. He does a whole bunch of like amp repairs, subwoofer demos, all that cool stuff. So if you guys want to look for the song, it is, hold on, let me get the screen clear. Jurassic Epicenter. So BearVids, he rebased this song for me, so I could get more of a punchy, boomy, dubstep-y kind of bass mix that I like. So let's see what this song can do. Hold on, I'll be right back, guys. Alright, I'm back. I'm sorry about that. My dog, she was barking. Somebody was popping fireworks outside my house, so I'm going to be playing the song, so we're going to be resuming to the song. So yeah, that's all the bass videos I'm doing, so make sure you guys like, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe to me and 1452 and BearVid's channels, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.